So, hi. It's very late or early. It's 1:50 in the morning, 1:50 a.m. Yeah, I stayed up so late because I tried to make the Shopify newsletter so that everybody who puts their email address in will automatically get the link to the freebie, which is the guide how to make your vision board habit tracker. But it didn't work. And also in Google I only found some workarounds, not really a solution. And there are some apps that you can connect with Shopify, but that didn't work either. And I wrote a chat. There was a chat, but it only told me that they received my message. I don't know. So, wait, other side. So today is not Saturday, today is Sunday. I didn't plan at all today, or yesterday. Today is Monday. Okay, first of all, I have to get my Sunday cards. Because today was totally different from other days. I left the paradise. I didn't walk to the cafeteria. I went by car. I drove there because I wanted to meet with my friend Laura here at the grotto. And it was more than 2 hours away from the paradise. So, yeah. And then at the grotto, it's grotta in Italiano. We prayed. Is it a rosary? I'm not sure. Where Ave Maria. I don't know what it is in English. I prayed it in Italian today. I also prayed in French when I was in France, but I've never prayed in English so far. So, well, Sunday, the 12th. And today is Mother's Day, and my two sons, well, one son only wrote me an email, and the other son phoned me and we talked. Walking, yeah, I did that, but not in the morning. I will just take the cards out, it's easier. What did I do first? The breakfast in the cafeteria and the grocery shopping. Which one did I do first? The grocery shopping, and then the breakfast, and the hiking guide, and social media. Yes. So I did all that. And then I drove. I was driving for more than 2 hours. And then I arrived here, and then I met my friend and I prayed. I have a prayer card. My prayer card is after my work, but before. Here's the meditation prayer card. So I did that. And then we went to a cafeteria to get a coffee. And then I walked for more than 2 hours. It was not really a 20k walk. how many steps did I take? So 17,653. But it was up and down, so the other way I walked was only flat. You can't really measure that in a steps app. And also, well, before walking, it's more or less dialogue in Italian. Very, very long dialogue. Yeah, and then I came back and there's a small river next to the grotto where we were praying, and there I bathed. I don't know, every time I look for the translation of bathing in a river, it tells me that it's swimming, but I don't swim in the river, I just bath or bathe there. So this is another day. It's no, not Tuesday. Yeah, I have a Saturday lesson, a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday lesson, and a Tuesday lesson. None of that happened today. I charged my car yesterday. I will charge it tomorrow. The December links. I didn't do it today, but I should have done it. I opened the document. I touched on the thing. I started yesterday with this one because the living in my car, Nomad, that's the first one is a room tour through my VW Passat, Volkswagen Passat, which I had for some months when I had sold my Kodiaq and I hadn't had the ENIAC yet. So, and I did that in Canva. Yesterday 10 pages and today I think 7 pages. That was very good. Because it's frog. It's frog. Record and edit. Long. Not really. I'm recording something now, so that's in the end of the day. But before the last task, which is reading and book summary, which I will do after that, and before the recording, I did diary. So those are the last tasks of the day. I didn't do the 1000 verbs today. Too much for one day. Uploads. Yes, I uploaded something. Shorts. Yes, I did that too. I did not yesterday. That was a Saturday task and I didn't do it. A long bathing video. No. Many tasks for tomorrow. Amazon. I opened it today to get the link for the printer. My favorite tool for planning, which the free guide is all about. I love it. I love this thing. But I didn't change anything. So I didn't really do anything here. The logos, no. I also have to make a logo for the new homepage, the sugarfreehappylife.wordpress.com. List of ebooks. No, I didn't do that. Google AdSense connect to Shopify. I did that. It took me an hour. It was really hard. And there's still something to do. But I did that. Patreon levels? No. I thought about it because I want to have my... so I have 2 lives. Every other week on Mona's SUV Reisen, which is my German channel about living in my car. And the other one I will do now on Polyglot Mona, which is my channel in 6 languages. And it will be a multilingual life. So maybe I will have like a German viewer, an English viewer, a French viewer, a Spanish viewer, an Italian viewer, and a Russian viewer. And I will be able to talk in 6 languages in half an hour. And yeah, it will be a great challenge, and I will love it. The new master list, no. I think I clicked on my master list today. The 30 playlists, link on Polyglot Pocket Love It. Very interesting what I wanted to do today. Tutoring, yeah, and Skillshare, no. The tutoring, I wrote an email to all the students that I stopped doing it now because it's too much work and I did it for free, so I just can't do it anymore. And then I told them that I had a lot to do this evening and that I will start correcting again tomorrow. So I didn't do that. But I wrote an email to all of them. That's something. Okay, so that's what I did. And now I have to habit track. So there's no habit tracker on this side, is there? But I could make one. But it's just a Sunday card. There's nothing to track on the Sunday card. So grocery shopping. That was sugar-free, yes. So I will just put Sunday, the 12th of May, and a smiley, because I did it. I won't put a sad smiley if I don't do it. I just put the days that it worked. So, breakfast. I had a sugar-free breakfast. Very good. They bought the yogurt that I recommended them. Oh, only for me, I think. And because I put the photo on their homepage. I was doing their homepage. I made it. They didn't have one. And yes, I did what I was supposed to do. 12. And happy smiley. And hiking guide. Yes, I put photos into it. Should I make text and links a must? I think I don't want any more pressure. Photos are the most important because I can do that on the iPad only. Because the photos are on the iPad. Normally they are like on the iPhone for a little bit. Like I have some photos still from February, but it's only 64 gigabytes, so that doesn't fit much. So I always send them via AirDrop to my iPad, and there I have enough space, like 256 gigabyte. And why am I pointing to my right? This is the iPad. The other one is for school. Okay, social media posts. I did that. I'm doing 2 each day, and I have 15 Instagram. And I can't have a new Instagram for my new homepage because it tells me I have reached the maximum number of accounts. And I don't know what to do now. I need an Instagram for the new homepage, but I can't. Meditation prayer. That was so long. It was the whole rosary. That was very, very good. I loved it. That was so deeply relaxing and happy making. Happy smiley. I did the prayer. So dialogue. What a long dialogue. Well, the prayer is apart from that, but we also talked before the prayer and after the prayer, so that's cool. There's no post-it. Shame on me. Why? Didn't think about habit tracking. Things falling below the table and I can't reach anything now. Sorry. All those fails, little fails. A small space. I have it. So, my post-its. Oh, I have to open the new box because I don't have any left. And I wanted to search them on Amazon as well. To put them into my Amazon link. It's so difficult to open packages. I can't believe it. Do you know that? You try to open something, you can't open it. What now? Yeah, there are more cards. Sunday cards. I can't open it. I need a pair of scissors or a knife. Oh, the scissors are extra. Ah, where are they? I see it. I see them. Good. So. Why does it have to be so hard to open this box? I'm sure when you buy this package on Amazon, it will be easier to open. Good. I have some. Yes! I did it. I got some post-it. I only need one, I think, but I'll see. Well, the post-it for the dialogues. Sunday, 12th of May. Smiley. 20k walk or 10k plus swim or 10k plus run. Where swimming is not bathing. It's swimming half an hour. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So what will I do when I only have 17,653? I think my rule should be that if the average is above 20,000 for the week, then it's okay if there's one day with less than 20,000. And the average for this week is 21,582. So yes, I get a smiley. Rules. So important. Bathing in the river. Yes, I did that. And it was wonderful. Sunday the 12th. Happy smile. And Polyglot Mona, living in my car, Nomad. I did that. I didn't complete anything really. Well, but I worked on it. I can't always complete everything, so I will put this date and then I will try to finish it tomorrow, and then I have 2 dates for one task, but it's a long task. The German one is the longest because I always begin with the German one. So the German one is where I make the design. And the others are shorter because then I just copy the whole presentation and I just copy paste all the text. And I change the logos, but it's not that much work. So the German one is always the longest. So I have to do it twice or several times, I don't know. So school corrections, I didn't really do tutoring or school or corrections. I did an email. Normally I do that every day. And I did that for the longest time. I just take out the card because I didn't do corrections. Google AdSense, yes. I didn't complete it, really. Can I have a habit tracker on a card which is only for one-time use? Can I just name it Google AdSense and Shopify? So that whenever I have to do something on those 2 platforms, then it's that card. Then it's not really a one-time task. It's a sometimes task. I have a new category. It's a sometimes task. And I did something. I worked, I think, 3 hours at least on my Shopify site. But I liked it. It was a good experience. Well, I have some other blogs, so it's not that much different. It's not WordPress, so it wasn't that easy, but it was okay. So, yes, I did something. Yes, that's a typical... No, that's only uploads. That was easy. Very easy. Not all tasks have to be difficult and long and frogs. Shorts. That was also very, very short, as shorts say. I did 2 shorts, more or less. The other short is not a short, although it's less than a minute. But I edited on my iPad I don't know why. And then sent the project via AirDrop to the MacBook. I don't know why. It's so hard to edit on an iPad in iMovie. You can't basically do anything. So it was cool that I could just share it and AirDrop it to my MacBook and complete the video there. But then in iMovie, I've never found a possibility to edit a short. I could do a short with Canva, I think. I have to try that tomorrow. So, 12th. Yes, I did that. And diary. Yes, I did that. Sunday, 12th. Happy, smiley. Record and edit a long video. Well, I recorded this video, which is very long, and I edited this video for oops, I can't habit track anything because I mean the long is only for living in my car and for 365 steps for those imperfect videos. I have to think of that tomorrow. So I will sit down on a river and record myself saying the room tour text, and I will edit the German and the English one. They are not too long and I won't put anything special into it. It's just me talking. Because the perfect video is the one on Polyglot Mona, and it's the one where I work in Canva. That's the one which is more work. And reading. I can't habit track the reading before I do it. I will habit track that tomorrow. Oh, the Sunday cards. Live. I haven't put any. Those are not vision board habit trackers. Those are just habit trackers. But I will do my vision board on that another day. So the live was good. At least one person was in the chat. Sometimes there were 3 or 5 persons. Sunday. Good. When did I do it? Patreon, YouTube. Yes, that was very time consuming. Ooh, the light is off. So, let me check. Now it works. System is on again. Yeah, Patreon and YouTube is time consuming on Sunday because I go to every channel and then I decide, or I know which ones. The new ones are for Patreon and the oldest not listed are for YouTube, and I just put a date on each of them and then it's done. But I have to do it, and then I also publish it on Facebook. And then I also publish a community post. So I did that. And did I work on my landing pages? Shopify is an extra card. Shopify upload ebooks. I don't need a second card for Shopify. That's superfluous. Yeah. Double bubble. Whatever. Sunday landing pages. Why is there Sunday and it's a one-time task? It's not really a one-time task. I have to do it several times. I wanted to do it on Sunday because Sunday is the day when I don't teach. But I was driving a lot and I was praying a lot and I met a friend. So that's why I couldn't do it. No problem. I did a lot. So when was that? The Patreon. That was after walking, bathing. I think, I'm not sure with what I started with. I only know Shopify was the last one. The live was directly after bathing. And then I think I did the frog first, the Canva, and then I did the Patreon and YouTube, and after that the Shopify, and I did that for a very long time. The uploads I did in between and the shorts. But yeah, Shopify was the last one I did before the diary. Good. So, Sunday 12th. Grocery shopping, yes. Breakfast, yes. Hiking guide, yes. Social media, yes. Prayer, yes. Dialogue. I need a photo here. Yes. Walking, yes. Bathing, yes. Life, yes. Polyglot Mona Frog, yes. Patreon and YouTube, yes. Uploads, yes. Shorts, yes. Google AdSense and Shopify, yes. Diary, yes. And now reading and book summary. Book summary. Okay, good night. See you soon. Bye bye. Have a great week. Whatever. See you in the next video.